So here is my phone. I love this case. I think it's mad cute. Like, it's just a little fat boy or girl. I'm pretty sure it's a boy, and he's taking a selfie. This is my lock screen. You guys have probably seen this same background on one of these videos before, because I know I have. I'm into marble, obviously, because I'm basic. I wanted black marble just so that it matches my phone. My background is Rihanna, of course. My background is always Rihanna. So I just have like the basic apps that everybody has. Don't drag me for having this much mail. Please don't. Because it's crazy. Here's pics from Nigeria. This was from a Playboi Carti concert. Was it even a concert? It wasn't a concert. He just pulled up to the club. My camera roll is just random as hell. I took mad pics this day. Alright. Alright, so yeah, you have the basic apps, and then my second page you have the other basic apps. The only thing I added in this folder is a period tracker and this Citizen app. This app, I don't know, I feel like I use this app to be nosy, just to see like what's going on around the neighborhood. But I swear this app has like the stupidest alerts. Like, it'll alert you like, man squeezing ketchup in nearby McDonald's. Like, what? Then you get into the other basic apps that everybody has. Instagram. My Instagram is this. If you don't know, now you do, so go follow me. It's taking forever to load. Okay, so I'm gonna have to turn my Wi-Fi off because it's playing games. But this is my Instagram. Go follow your girl. Yeah, go follow me. Then I have Snapchat, and if you want to follow me on there, look, as you can see, I'm not about that Snapchat life. My score is like pathetic. Sorry, I sound disgusting, but I always do. So this is my well, I call it anti because it's like another social folder. It's a social folder, but it's not like the main socials, you know? So it's like anti-social. Yeah, so I got Facebook Messenger, Twitter, GroupMe, Facebook. I swear I barely use like any of these. Tumblr, I don't even use it. I have mad like Instagram apps. This one is to check and see who's unfollowed you. And because I'm petty Betty, if I see you unfollowed me, okay, this is not monetized, so get off my thing, please. So if I see you unfollow me, I will unfollow you back, because it's like, who do you think you are? Like, especially if you know me in person, like, don't act Hollywood. If you unfollow me, you get the favor returned. Like, it's just plain and simple. I'm just petty like that. Then I have Bitmoji and GIF keyboard. So yeah, I barely touch this folder unless it's for Messenger, sometimes Facebook, sometimes Twitter. And then I feel like I should use two hands. My Shmoney folder. And this is just like all my debit, credit cards, and like PayPal, and then some apps that I use to get like not quick cash, but just like little cash on the side, pocket money, whatever you want to call it. So like this app I love. I've made like probably like at least 200 on this app since I downloaded it. it's been a long time, but that's still something, you know. T-Mobile Tuesdays, I just downloaded this field agent today. Then I have these random ones. Tunes folder, and that's just like on my other music apps. My main music app, which I forgot to mention, is Spotify, and your girl got the free version. Don't ask how, you know, don't ask me how I got it, because, you know, legal things only. This is an app for concerts, and it scans like your music to know like what you're into and stuff like that. No. So for example, we got Phoenix. I want to see them, but not that much. I want to see Magic Jordan. That's who I want to see for real. Oh wait, I know about this. Never mind. This is in the Bronx, but I have no money and nobody to go with, so I'm not going. Yay. We have my last page, which has like mad folders on it. So we have this folder. I just call it shopping because it has a lot to do with like clothes and just random stuff. I feel like I need to organize this. But so we have lookbook. I don't really use lookbook anymore. Then we have my app. It's not an app, it's just a bookmark to my site. If you want some sunglasses or whatever, you know, hit up nyc.bigcartel.com. And then we have, it's so hard like trying to reach the top. Big Cartel. Pinterest. So I'll show you my Pinterest. It's not really popping on Pinterest, but this is my board. One of my boards. And then we have like hairstyles. And then we have, go back. This is probably like my most used board for room inspiration, because I'm obsessed with like room decor and like making over your room and stuff. So I spend like most of my time looking at things to give me inspiration for my room. I already know what I want, but like, you know, it's a process. Then we have Depop, H&M, Polyvore. I don't even use this, like oh, I don't know if you noticed, but like some of my folders are kind of color coordinated. So I have like the black and whites, the red and whites. I had it like that, and no, not really. Yeah, kinda, but this one is probably like the most color coordinated one. And then you get to the next page and it's just like a whole big mess.
AliExpress, Ebates, Influencer, Poshmark, eBay, Cartwheel, Forever 21. I don't even use Cartwheel. Hush, Santa's bag.
This I usually only use during Christmas time to like make wish lists or, you know, shopping lists for gifts and stuff. And then we have my Right and Round folder. I'm tired. Alright, so you have Uber, you have the Nice app, which is for the Nice bus, the Long Island bus here. Then you have, I'm not from Long Island, by the way. Then we have Lyft and Juno, Via. I haven't used Via yet, but I've used Juno before. Atom, I don't know why I have Atom in this. This don't even make sense. This is a movie theater app. Why do I have it here? I'm gonna put it, I'm gonna put it in here. Actually, no, that don't make sense either. Where should I put this app? I'm gonna put it in this folder. Alright. Wanderoo is like an app for buses. So like if you're trying to travel to another state for the low, you get on the bus or the train. And then I have the folder that I never touch. But it's all of like the document folders and like, you know, office folders and apps. I said folders. Apps. Oh god, I'm tired. How do y'all do these kind of videos? Okay, so these are pretty like self-explanatory. I don't think you care to know about these apps. This could get deleted. Okay, maybe later. Flicks. So this is all my photo and video editing apps. I use iMovie on my phone. I'm so glad that this iPhone came with iMovie for free, because ain't nobody trying to pay for that. Like, I already paid for the whole phone. Like, come on. And then you have Visco, which I'm pretty sure you know about. PixArt. Huji is that poppin' app that everybody's using now, that puts like the timestamp on your photo and it looks like film, like a film camera, like a disposable film camera. Why is it taking so long? Oh, okay, so you can press that if you want to, but let's take a pic. Develops, fake develops, and then you have this. I don't know how to say the name of this. Unum or UNUM, I don't know, but this is pretty much the app you use to rearrange your feed. So like before you post, you can organize it how you want, or see how you want it to look before you post your pics on the gram. And then I have Snapseed, Darkroom, Unfold. I haven't really used this one yet, but it's for Instagram stories and it gives it like these really nice layouts and aesthetic looking stories to your profile, whatever. Then we have Rad VHS, which is another like throwback, nostalgic, aesthetic type of app. And it's pretty much like a camcorder. So the other one is like a disposable film camera. This one is like a camcorder, and it has the same timestamp thing going on. So I'm gonna record something. So it has different effects. Grayscale, lens flares, and light leaks. You know that whole like real VHS looking look? Yeah, it has that. And then on the next page we have 1987. I don't really use that one. Oh, 67, 1967. Then we have Regrammar. Excuse me, stop doing this, man. Stop doing this, man. Regrammar, which is pretty much like a repost app for videos and on Instagram. Glitch, I don't know. It has that same glitchy effects like the other app that I showed you just now. Square Ready, remember those Square Ready days? I still have to use it sometimes for like my Poshmark. Oh, I did not give y'all a Poshmark plug, yo. Go to my Poshmark. I got mad shit on there that needs to go, so yeah, this is my Poshmark. How do I? Okay, so that's my Poshmark. And I mean, I got some cute stuff. Like, look at this. My birthday dress. Look at this. Look at that. This is cute. Definitely. So yeah, go hit up my Poshmark too. Damn, can't ever do nothing in this house. Can't ever film no videos in this house. So yeah, pretty much this is just reverse videos. Play Memories Mobile is pretty much the app that connects to the camera that I'm using. Briller, pretty much just add sparkles to your photo, like all the high points. It didn't do it. See how it adds like the little sparkles. Preprints, instance, 3D effect. Cut story is just, it cuts your video to the exact time so you can add it on your Instagram stories or Snapchat or whatever else. And then Square Ready Video. Then my food app, because I'm so freaking fat. I have all these apps for all these fast food places because I'll be trying to get that discount. My last folder, which is for the, you know, you got games on your phone. This is that folder. I got mad games on my phone for no reason. I haven't played this in a minute. I think I probably need to update it. You know, I got The Sims. I got Sim City. I've been playing that recently again. Rules of Survival. I haven't played that in a minute. I used to be on this game every day. And then these aren't, well, Fortnite obviously is a game. This is not a game. This is more of just a room room design planner. So and it features IKEA furniture, so that's perfect. So look, this is what I want my room to look like. Well, this is the closest I could get it to look like on this app. I wanted like a brick wall on 2 sides. I mean, it's kind of like what it looks like right now. Not really though. I want white walls. Right now my walls are this nasty ass green that I hate. I don't like it anymore. I got this desk going on. Yeah, I think that's it.